Distrai Technology, international leader company in the market of fecal, downspout, and pluvial restoration and industry, presents a revolutionary cleaning system and pipe restoration without construction, reaching a quick cleaning and execution. Our team of professional experts prepares the area to work on the downspout, proceeds to disassemble the toilet to clean the downpipe with a 20-disc rotor, manufactured by Distra Chemical with polyamide brushes and soapy water. We introduce a camera to check if there aren't any cracks or holes and make sure the state of clean lines is correct, to verify the brushes did their job properly. Then we use industrial hot air dryers to dry the pipe. After that we proceed to the injection of Distra resins by brushes or Distra spray head. The result is a new pipe without joints, a smooth surface, and pores. All this will prevent future obstructions. Everything with a 10-year warranty on the construction of the new resin pipe. Distrai.es